Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my birds which visit my house every day. You can see the birds sitting in the sunshade and waiting for the food. These birds come to my home every morning and evening. I feel so happy that the birds come to my home every day. It's really happy to feed the birds. This is the view from balcony. It's so greenish and it's so cool to see. This is a hawk type bird. Sometimes I feel so scared to see the hawk. This is the close view of hawk. It's looking at me when I was capturing the video. Okay viewers, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.